This is Mobeaute coming back to you with another video. This is a revised video of my brother printer, the VC-500W. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Mobeaute. So I've already did the recording of everything, and I will be putting that on the side, showing how I revamped my labels. You can check out my other video showing how I did the labels or whatever. That video will be shown in the link above, and you can just click on the link above. So this is an easier way that I found how to do my labels. So of course, Canva is, the holy grail of all things business. So I'm just sharing my screen right now where I created my labels, and this is exactly how I want it. Like I said, I'm starting a new hair care line, and so I needed some professional looking labels for my products. I needed to be clean and easy to read and things like that, because this is going into an actual like brick and mortar type of store in New York. So I needed everything to be kind of perfect. So I'm just showing y'all exactly what I did. I used a template, and for the particular machine that I have, I looked to see exactly what the number was for the resizing. So what I did was, and I can just go and show y'all the original of it. And the original, these are my designs. I have so much stuff, of course, us being business people. This is the original design for a label, which is a 6x4. You can go right here to resize, and it's a 6x4. That's too big for my particular machine. My particular machine is a 6x2. So what I did was took, measuring tape, and I measured the size. So I put 6x2. I put 6.5x2, because when you measure it, it'll tell you what it is. Once you print a label, you could just use that as a template to get the measurement of what the size is for the label. So that's why my labels are looking 100% better. I'm not wasting any paper or anything like that. So once I do that, I take the picture and I put it on Brother, which I showed y'all the screen. And I think I'm finished recording my screen. I don't think I'm recording it anymore. Okay, I'm not. Okay, so my particular screen, which I have it on the side, you'll see where I inserted the photo. So once you insert the photo, you make it big to the size that you want it to be. It's really, really simple. Once I did that, I went on and printed it off. So I have 5. Like I said, this is for shampoo, conditioner. Your hand's going to be wet. So when I did it yesterday, because I already did a label, and the label just fell apart. Okay, it fell completely apart. So what I had to do was, of course, go on TikTok, but I'm an innovative type person. So I went on TikTok and I saw this girl use contact paper, which is the dollar store contact paper. Anybody that has a Cricut machine, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to just put the video over here on my phone. Let me just show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. Let's see. Contact paper, dollar contact paper from the dollar store. Okay. So what I did was I took the contact paper and I put it on my Cricut machine, which I'll just show y'all again. I took it, I already tested it out on one. I took the contact paper, as you see, and put it on my mat. I have my Cricut machine here. And so what I did was put the measurements in. So I go to the Cricut now. And so it's finished because I've just did it. So what I did was just use the So this is the label that I made, and it's waterproof. This is like one of the ones that I was gonna use. It has a sticker on the back. I just used the contact paper after I did it, but this is, as you see, is a little bit longer, which is easier to kind of maneuver. So I think I will leave it at 6 by 2 because it fits like perfect. I went to square. So now unlock you just print it off. The measurements and more. The measurements was 6.5 by 2, but what I did was use 6 by 2, which was perfect because it has some slack when you're doing the labels. So I just did that. This is the size. What I did, now I'm going to use the other space because it's still more contact paper that could be used, and I still need more. So I'm just going to put this over here, and I'm going to duplicate it. Okay. So I'm just trying to use all the space that I can use. Okay, let's see. So I had some technical difficulties, but what you need to do, make sure your mat is in there, crunched up. I used the 7 and the 8 because, like I said, I already had made it, and I searched for transfer because I'm using contact paper, so that worked perfect, and it worked. So just make sure that your mat is in there and that it's not cutting the actual mat. Okay. That's all you pretty much do. I'm gonna unhide. So I can have a template for the next time when I want to do this. It has a little slack right here, so your this little piece is like a little slack. Once it so it's not exactly or finished cutting. And I don't have my tripod. You have your cuts. Like I said, I already did one. What I did, it has a little slack right there. So this is the one that I did. I guess I'm gonna get. Like I said, I revamped tripod, so I didn't want to go ahead and show you exactly what I decided. I didn't want my picture on there, so I put it like kind of like just the name, and the color is like a little bit different. So this is the one that I'm going to be making waterproof. So I have like this like clear film, which I think it actually comes on from the mat. So the clear film that you have on your mat, you can use that. And what I did was I leave it on here, and I use painter's tape so that it wouldn't move either. So what I'm gonna do is, it's pretty like stuck on there. Oh good, it's lifting up. But sometimes it's hard for these things like open up. So what I'm gonna do is let's take it a bit like that. Okay, I have my label, my clear paper, and what I did, let's just put it right on there like that. kind of like that, but this one ain't lining up good. So just want to make sure it's lined up good. Which what I'd probably do is like take these pieces off. Okay. And just line it on there. Okay. So it's on there, and now my labels are waterproof. Now you can always go in with your tool and just smooth it down, but pretty much that's all you do. And you use the little slack, which makes it a little bit easier. And then I just cut this slack part off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just, matter of fact, I'm gonna just take my label off of the back and then just cut this slack like that. It's waterproof now, and you can just clean up if you want to. Just clean up a little bit, but for the most part, here it is. And now I can put it right on my product, and I don't have to worry about my shampoo paper getting messed up now when you're shampooing your hair and stuff. I don't have to worry about it messing up. And this is my matcha and hibiscus shampoo, my labels, and here it is. And so that's all you do. It's that simple. You don't have to break the bank. You don't have to go buy no Avery sticker labels and all this stuff. Like, you don't have to do all of that. Like, you use regular Dollar Tree contact paper. That's what I'm doing. Like I said, I take the little slack off. I'll do it one more time. I take the slack off at the end. Okay. Take your paper. Like I said, I use 6x2. You know, sometimes paper is like, it's kind of hard to get off sometimes. Y'all know it's Cricut people and contact paper. It be on there. But once you, there it is. Once you get it off, you're good to go. I'm gonna take it, I just take a little bit. And then I just put it right on. Make sure y'all can see. Use the same backing. And just smoothing. Getting those bubbles out. And that's it. So I have another one. I'll take that one off. I have another one that's ready to be shipped out. Going to New York. Perfect. Have to worry about it coming off now or anything like that. So I have 2 done. Now see, this is the one that I did without it. And that's pretty much all you do. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Also, remember to join my Facebook group, Mobeaute, and also share this video. Anybody that are entrepreneurs, I would advise to get the Brother compact color printer. It is definitely an investment. Once you get the gist of it, you will not be wasting a lot of paper. I did waste quite much paper at first. You know, everything is trial and error. But once you really understand the gist of it, you will love the Brother printer, and also printer. And you can also make like little labels. Like I have like little labels that I made for like some of my products and things like that. So you know, I would highly suggest, you know, that y'all purchase the Brother label. If you are an entrepreneur, it doesn't use any ink. I might have to buy like a toner or something. I'm not really sure. But other than that, you can print quite many labels. The cartridges are, you know, about $30 some. I get them on Amazon. So, I mean, not too bad, especially when you're buying ink, you know, for a printer. So, it's kind of like balancing out, but it just makes things like a lot easier, I think, in my opinion. So, I highly recommend it. I have the 1-inch paper as well. And if you saw my hydrosol video and you see my thumbnail, then you will see where I made that hydrosol label with the machine. Okay, so I definitely recommend this machine. It's very user-friendly. And yeah. Make sure y'all hit the notification bell so you won't miss no more of my videos. I'm using Capcut to edit my videos now. So my videos are a little bit easier to kind of produce and get out just to y'all. Okay, and it comes off pretty easy, you know, if you make a mistake, but for the most part, I like it. So we have 3 now. Looks professional. Looks like something you could buy in the store. And I have 1 more to do, but this is the final product. So until next time, this is Mobeaute. I love y'all. Always remember, keep God first. Smooches.